This problem is white to live. From a high-level amateur perspective, usually these problems are either the 2-1 points or the 2-2 point. So really, these are the only three positions that you should consider. And here, the correct answer, if you try enough times, there are not that many choices, right, is the 2-2 point. Once again, white will have a real eye here on the 1-1 point, and it will be able to capture number 2, like this. Or if black connects, white captures 3 of these black stones and will guarantee 1 real eye here. So that's 2 real eyes this way. But what's more interesting is the wrong moves. So what if white plays here? Then black cannot just play from the outside because that will be too late. That will allow white to live. So black should try to destroy the eye here on the corner, and white, all of a sudden, this will be a bulky 5, this will be a bent 4 pattern, and this will still be a false eye. So it doesn't make sense for white to capture this stone, right? So as long as black plays number 2, white will be dead. What if white plays here? Now black needs to be a little more careful. Again, white is hoping to make an eye here, 1 and 3, right? So black too must destroy this eye, and now white will cut off number 2 from the outside. Now it's tricky, right? It's tempting to play something like this, but with white's number 5, black needs both of these points to kill white, and black cannot play both at the same time. So black number 4 is problematic, and black can't play on the outside either, because this way white will make 2 eyes. So the correct move is actually to play on the inside, like this. If white plays here, then black will be able to destroy white's real eye, like this. Now, if white plays here, then black should continue to play this. And now this seems like a mutual life pattern, or seki, but it's actually not. Because once black occupies all the liberties from the outside, it will be able to capture whites like this, which means that eventually white will have to play this move. But once white plays this move, this will be a straight 3, which will be a dead pattern. So once black plays number 6 here, white is already dead. And that is why white's number 1 cannot succeed, and the correct answer is the 2-2 point. Thank you for watching.